Asia Pacific World School KHB layout, Madapanahalli, off Vartur Main Road. Required principal 5 to 10 years experience, administrative experience, master degree and B.Ed are mandatory. Pre-primary and early years, mother or assistant teacher, primary CBSE, English, science, mathematics, social studies, computer value education, and GK, Hindi, French, Kannada, and art and craft. Eligibility criteria: a postgraduate or graduate with B.Ed degree and relevant experience in reputed CBSE institutions. Non-teaching staff, HR or administration officer, admission officer, lab in charge, PE master, facility manager, librarian, office assistant. Eligible criteria: minimum 2 years of experience in relevant professional activities. Send your application through passport size photograph, CAREERS at KRUPANIDHI.edu.in 9900079548. ಟೀಮ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಬೇಕು, 5 ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 18,000 PF ಮತ್ತು ESI ಉಂಟು. ಹಬ್ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬೇಕು 2. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಜಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರು. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ 8088991018 97429011561. Shadowfax Technologies Limited.